G'day guys, Scotty Paul here from the Hook and The Ccok, and welcome back to our channel. Today's clip is proudly brought to you by Cook Trout, Australia's #1 manufacturer of herbs and spices.
Well guys, today we're going to go and pop over and pick up a couple of mates from the hospitality industry. Lee Alston, who is the owner of Cook Trout Herbs and Spices, and Steve Stats, his executive chef. Now we're going to head offshore today off Port Hacking. I'm going to target some kingfish and whatever else is out there. So hey, come and join us and let's go and have some fun. Boys, morning. How you going?
Very well, thank you. Paul,
Lee,
nice to see you.
how are you?
Very well.
Yourself good? Paul, Steve, how you going, big fella?
Very well, thank you.
Ready to rock and roll?
Ready to rock and roll. Let's go. Very excited.
No worries, climb on boys.
Thank you.
I'll grab that for me. There we go. Hey boys, Scotty Lawrence.
How you going?
Steve Stats.
Pleasure to meet you.
Lee,
Lee
how you
Alston.
going?
Thank you.
Look forward to a good day, boys?
Absolutely. It's a beautiful day. That's a fish.
Alright, let's go and do it.
Oh, mate, it's a cracker. Nice little cracker.
Yeah, lovely. Good day. Good day. All right, off you go.
Okay guys, let me run you through the gear we're going to be using today.
Sure.
Alright, we're going to start off with the heavier outfit for the kingfish. That's spooled up with 50-pound Snyder braid.
Yep.
I'm running a Spheros FB 10,000 on a bushy Shimano rod to match, 10 to 24 kilo. To that I've added a weight,
Yep.
quite a substantial swivel, down to a 70-pound trace.
Yep.
And we call this the poor man's downrigger. Right, and if you look at one of our other clips, you'll see exactly how to make this up to a long hook.
Dirty big hook.
Okay,
Yeah.
now that's for hopefully for our kingfish. The other setup I've got is a Shimano 6000 OC bait runner, matched to an aqua tip rod to suit. I've got it spooled up with Snyder braid, and that's 30 pound. Okay, and to that we're running a stick bait, an orca stick bait, and we're going to get out. If the kingies are on the surface, we'll be able to flick this around and chase a few fish on the surface while we're working a squid bait at the same time.
Cool. Nice.
All right, so I think we'll head out and we'll see if we can get a few.
Let's do it.
Excited. Guys, a heap of them behind him.
Yeah, look behind me, look.
Look at that. Yeah. Oh, hi. Woo. Alright, who's going to net the fish? Scott's pulled one in. Oh, they're looking a bit bigger. Well done, boys.
Thank you very much. Look at that.
Hey, couple of kingies.
Undersized, but nice fish.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's put them back in the water, eh?
Absolutely. Shall do. Let's go. Lovely. Yeah, until next time.
Well, Lou, we had a fantastic morning out the front this morning.
Fun, Scotty.
Caught quite a few kingfish, and damn unlucky, Steve hooked an absolute ripper and got busted off on the bottom. So we then rigged up with the Paternoster rigs, and we headed out the front a little bit wider into 30 metres and got some beautiful sand flathead. The boys are going to cook up.
Well guys, we're back from the boat and here we are in Creo Food Jam Kitchen with corporate executive chef Stevie Stats from Creo Crush, and basically Steve has kindly let us use his kitchen today, which is fantastic, and we're going to be cooking up some nice dishes, a couple of really good dishes with some of the flathead. So what are we cooking today, Steve?
Paul, today we're going to do a beautiful pan-fried flathead fillets.
Beautiful.
We're going to use our lime pepper,
Yeah.
and we're going to serve it with a beautiful, crisp vegetable salad.
Well, it's a nice hot day out there, mate, so it's a fantastic choice.
Perfect. So I'm going to start off with some olive oil.
Yeah.
As soon as your pan comes up to heat, simple as just rolling the fillets in the pan, shake off a bit of the flour.
Yeah. So basically the flour's on there, it's protecting the fish still.
That's correct, yeah. It's beautiful. It protects it and it keeps it nice and moist on the inside.
Yeah.
And remember folks, you don't have to cook flathead for 20 minutes. 2 minutes on each side, let it rest, let it do its thing, and it just remains nice and succulent and juicy.
Yeah, that's right. She's just looking nice. Wow.
You've got a nice crisp base on it now from the flour.
Yeah, fantastic.
So you know there's no moisture coming out into the pan, it's all stuck into the flesh.
Yeah, yeah, beautiful.
Okay.
So would you add a little bit of seasoning now?
Now we add the seasoning to it.
Yep.
So our lime pepper, so it's a one-step process for all you've got to do is add the seasoning and that's it.
It's done.
Your flavour's done.
And you know what, some people, you mess around with fish too much, this is a perfect way to
Absolutely.
eat fish.
Absolutely. Straight on.
Yep. Wow, looking good. Looks really good.
You smell that?
Yeah.
Put it around with the
So would you let that cook now, or would you let that rest?
Now we'll let it rest,
Yeah.
and the residual heat will keep that cooking.
Fantastic.
So while we're doing that, we're going to add just a couple of knobs of butter in there, just to create a little bit of the sauce as well.
Okay, so that'll just melt down, and
Absolutely.
that'll mix in with that beautiful lime pepper, and create a little sauce. That's great.
How's that looking?
Fantastic. So let's get cracking with the salad,
Let's assemble the salad. First step, we'll get some thinly sliced radishes, just around the rim of the bowl. And then our ribbon vegetables straight into the center, making sure you grab a little bit of everything. So we've got our zucchinis there, a lovely asparagus, some fennel and capsicum, some lovely carrots, maybe a little bit more fennel, just to highlight the fennel, because we know Paul likes the fennel. Now we're ready for our fillets. To finish up, we're going to use this flavoured mayonnaise with the lime pepper, fold it through, and we're going to dollop this right on top of the fillets. Now I'm going to add the lemon. Lunch is served.
Well guys, I'm sure you'll agree at home, what a fantastic job you've done with this fish, Steve. Beautiful, fresh ingredients and some fantastic flavours in there too, mate, and dead easy for someone to do at home.
Absolute, Paul. It was a pleasure going out there with you guys today, catching this beautiful flathead, and it was so much fun bringing it back in the kitchen and cooking it. Thank you very much.
Good, good, good. No worries, mate, and thanks very much for your time.
Anytime.
Now guys, don't forget to join us next week, every Friday here at the Hook and the Cook, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next week, and thanks again, Steve.
Thank you.
Take care, guys.
Well, a special thanks, guys, to all our partners who joined us, and I hope you guys enjoyed these clips.
And don't forget to join us every week here at the Hook and the Cook. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And we'll see you every Friday here at the Hook and the Cook. Cheers, guys.